Okay, we have the crew here. We got some friends here. They join us at breakfast. We got we crew here. Guys, look what I have. Baigan choke and sada roti. Okay, so let me give you guys a review about this. Look at Sabrina. She's smelling this pepper pot. How it tastes, Pashano? Show me how this pepper pot. The best pepper pot is Guyana. Out of my pepper pot that I make, and this one, which one tastes better?
To Marriott, Guyana.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let me introduce my best leader of the service, Alicia.
Alicia.
And my name is Carlo Valderrama, the executive chef.
Okay. Hey beautiful people, how are you guys doing today? It's another day here in Guyana. Want to say good morning to all of you guys. We just got up. We're just going downstairs for breakfast. I'm going to show you guys the buffet style that they have here at the Marriott. Let's go eat, guys. We are going out for breakfast. Josh is still sleeping. I'm going to get the other kids here, and then we are heading up to breakfast. We came in late last night. It's like every day is a day in Guyana. We're enjoying. We're having so much fun. We went to Barbies yesterday. I'm gonna put up the Barbies video. You guys must look at that. We're here for the kids. Let's see which room they are. Guys, check this out. The Marriott Hotel. So beautiful. Cheese, hi! Cheese! I got you guys! You're at the Marriott sitting with Sana! Okay guys, so we are seated. We are in here. Check this out. Outside there have a lot of people, so they bring us in here. Check this out. We have this whole big place here to ourselves. We have a lot of wine there. We can take some. So let's go get food. Okay guys, so we are here at the buffet. They have a buffet style here at the Marriott if we visit here. So let's see what they have. They have all different types of cheese. You can get anything that you want to eat here. Local breakfast, American breakfast. It's all right here. You can get an omelette around here. Okay, I think I has to go around to the other side, order the omelette, and then I pick it up here. So let's go there. Okay, so if you're ordering the eggs or omelette, you have to start from here. Egg white omelette with some of the spinach, some scallions, some shallot, some pepper, some tomatoes, some mushrooms. Cheese for me, please. Thank you. That's all. Sorry. So I'm getting my omelette. Those is what I asked for. Some mushroom and some spinach. That should be good. Same as mine. Yeah. With the cheese too. What is that? Oatmeal? Okay, Sabrina's getting oatmeal. So guys, they have open buffet here. It's one price. I'm gonna let you guys know how much per person. But if you want to take out anything, you have to pay for it. You can eat how much you want. In here, it closes at 10, but I think it open at 6 to 10. So you cannot take out anything. You have to pay. You know how about Fago, and I think that's the right way. Not what you want, but you can't take it out. So I order my omelet. Waiting. They're cooking it. Oh, they have some good grill over there. Guys, look what I have. Baigan choka and sada roti. Wow. Okay guys, so they have toast here. They got a bread, different type of bread. You have the bagels.
Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning. Oh, chocolate. Cheese Danish. Ooh, the kids didn't see this. This is very nice. Pistachio cream. We got cheese scone. That's chocolate banana bread. We have a lot here. We have a big variety. These are the muffins. So let's check out what they have over here. Let me go from this corner here so you guys can see what they have. Let's check. Oh, that's the empty. They had baigan choka. We have some already. It's in here. I'm going to eat it with a sada roti. Beef pepper pot. Whoa! They have beef pepper pot. They got fresh toast. Baked beans. We got some baked beans here. Turkey sausage. Okay, turkey sausage. So we got some eggs here. Scrambled eggs. Good morning. Good morning. We got pork bacon. We got a lot of stuff in here. We have all these. Oh, it's not a name. A lot of people in here. We have different types of cereal. I'm making toast. See, it goes down and then it falls down at the bottom there. So we toast it in styles, right? Roti, yes, we're good.
May I have your room number or number?
Having this egg white omelette here. Put everything that I ordered. I showed you guys before. We got baigan choka roti. We got some toast here. And we're gonna enjoy this meal at the Marriott in Georgetown. Where's his baby? He's under here. Reynolds eating his baigan choka with bread because he said the roti too hard.
No, you have to finish. You have to finish.
Look, I have roti here.
No, no.
Look,
No, it's okay.
it's a little hard. It's better off that way.
To Marriott, Guyana.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let me introduce my best leader of the service, Alicia. And my name is Carlos Valderrama, the executive chef.
Okay,
And we are
so-
here that you enjoy. The
Okay.
idea is like you relaxing,
Okay.
share memorable moments, and the other side is our only raise the hands and gonna back immediately to that.
And everything is possible.
Okay, yes. We appreciate you get him the cereal. Okay, oh, that was you. And the baby, he's so happy he has his Fruit Loops.
He was under the table.
He was,
One
yes.
more request, right? The baigan choka is great,
Yeah, the baigan
but the
chocolate.
roti ran out. This guy here, he eaten baigan choka
With bread.
We have, yeah.
It's a new trend, don't worry. It's gonna, it tastes good. Thank you guys so much.
Here, and please,
Okay.
this is your house.
Thank you for
Okay, thank you,
Welcome.
thank you. Okay, bye-bye. Look at Sabrina, she's smelling this pepper pot. She can't eat it because it's beef. She don't eat beef. How it tastes, Pashano?
Hold on, let me show you.
The best pepper pot is Guyana. What? And the little one, she loves pepper pot, Rihanna. But she choose not to eat beef, so that's okay. But if I don't walk up a storm here. Guys, look at this. We got a kiss kitty here. When last you guys see one of this? You're looking for food. We are hanging out by the poolside. This is the Marriott poolside, guys. So if you visit the Marriott out here, it's very nice. It's beautiful. You get a lot of good breeze out here. The wind makes it perfect. And the kids there in the pool, they're hanging out, but there's a lot of fly. It's a tropical country. This is expected. And life doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful. Sometimes it's just poolside with the people I love, and that makes it all what it is. Right now we're enjoying Guyana and we're having so much fun here. It's beautiful. Check out these birds. Look at them flying over us. This is by the seawall. Rain coming again. Look at the rain. Look at these birds. Videoing these birds. Check out this kitty. You come back here again. Kiss, 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 kitty. Well, last you guys see kiss kitty. Wow, he's flying around us. Hello, hi. What you looking for? Are you hungry? We don't have food here though for you. We can't feed you. Sorry.
I was just gonna try to tell them.
The puppy. They're looking for food. Okay, we have the crew here. We got some friends here. They join us at breakfast. Yeah, Evan here. Everybody's here. And we got we crew here. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look, look. You can't get anything better than this. Look at this. I got pumpkin. And I got naan. It looks like naan. I got some turkey sausage. I got a piece of hash brown. Watch my friend over here. And I got a scoop of coffee, and we're in here. We having breakfast with some friends here, but not a lot of room there, so we're sitting here. We got the kids. And I'm gonna try this pumpkin and see if it's better than mine.
Oh, take.
Look guys, how this special. They order pepper pot and they bring it for them. Look, big pepper pot. You have to taste this pepper pot before you go, right?
Just put them in a second.
Right out of my pepper pot that I make and this one, which one tastes better? So you guys here, I'm good at making pepper pot. I make it really, really good. So the Marriott one can't compare to mine. That's so you guys leaving today? Wow. Want to stay back or you want to go home? You like Guyana?
Let's stay back.
She want to stay back. So Lily Rose, she loves Guyana. The first time she came to Guyana. The first time for her in Guyana, and she loves it here. How about you, coming back?
If we get to the school, Bible fair.
Okay. So you like Guyana then, finally.
I love Guyana.
Oh, nice. How about you, Josh?
Why?
You're coming back to Guyana?
Depends. So we went by ahead. We by ahead, right?
How about you, Ronald?
Yes.
Yes, we like the baby barn, right? Beautiful Guyana. So guys, we have the crew over here and we are heading to the airport in a few. So guys, we finally leaving. We had our 5-day stay here at the Marriott and it was amazing. We have the kids, we have all these luggage. Look at us. Look at us. We always carry and bringing and fetching and taking, and that's what we do. All this is our luggage. So we are heading back home. So you guys happy you're going back home? Rose is not happy. How about you, Sabrina? You happy? Are you happy you're going back home? You're happy your vacation is over, or you're sad? Ah, when you plan to come back? So you love Guyana? Actually, guys, he's from Jamaica. First time? Okay, so first time for him, and he loves Guyana. He's coming back. Okay, we got Indra here. We're gonna say bye to Indra.
Yes, bye.
And we have Prasanna. Let's just stay.
Good.
Good?
Too short now.
So extend your time. Just go to Kongtan and you call up the airline or say you missed your flight. Thank you guys for staying here. You guys was great. Thank you. Thank you.
I heard it was the first time.
It was our first time staying here. The little kids, it's their first time coming to Guyana. And we have someone there, he's from Jamaica. It's his first time. So he said he's coming back too.
Okay, that's good.
So we enjoy. The stay here was great. You guys are great. The staff are excellent. And we are happy to stay here.
That's awesome.
Okay, so we're gonna come back, don't worry.
Okay,
Thank
great.
you. Okay, thank you. Let me give you guys a little view here. That's the pool out there. So we are waiting on our cab. I take a little walk out back here. If you guys see, I'm wearing this cap because guess what? My hair is so frizzy. It's like I'm having muff on top of my head right now. It's so humid. Show you guys here a little bit before I leave. These two guys. Hello.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. So I'm going in back. We're heading to the airport now. Bye bye Guyana. Bye bye the Marriott. Okay. Let me show you guys the artwork here. It looks like they have an art exhibition here. Let's check it out. For sale, 50,000 Guyana dollars for this maca. The blue and the yellow maca, 2025. Wow, they're very pretty. Let's check out these here. They all have different prices. You see the price? This is very pretty. US 1,800 for this one. Wow, this is amazing. This is beautiful. I like the one with the maca. Look at Guyana, guys. So cute. They have a lot here. This is 220,000 Guyana dollar. These are pretty. Look at that one, how it's beautiful. That's how much? $270,000. 270,000 Guyana dollar. I don't know how much. It's not in US. You guys can check the rate. This is nice. This is very, very beautiful. This is 50,000 Guyana dollar. They're very nice. Okay, I gotta go. Guys, we are at Teddy Jagan International Airport, Guyana. We're leaving. We're heading back home. So see you guys in New York.